Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will start with append fields. The append fields tool is used to combine two or more datasets by appending the fields of one dataset to another. This tool is particularly useful when you have multiple datasets with similar structures and you want to combine them into a single dataset. This tool is handy for tasks like combining multiple years of sales data, merging customer information from different sources, or consolidating survey results from various regions. It simplifies the process of data integration and allows you to create a unified data set for further analysis or reporting within ALTERYX. Then after, the Find Replace tool in ALTERYX is used to search for specific values within a column or multiple columns of your dataset and replace them with another value. This tool is particularly useful for data cleaning and data preparation tasks where you need to standardize or correct values in your dataset. This tool is handy for tasks like correcting misspellings, standardizing abbreviations, or replacing specific values with more meaningful ones. It helps ensure consistency and accuracy in your dataset, making it more suitable for analysis or downstream processes. Then after, the fuzzy match tool is used to perform approximate matching between two datasets based on the similarity of their values rather than exact matches. This tool is particularly useful when you need to match records from different sources that may have slight variations, misspellings, or formatting differences. Fuzzy matching is useful in situations where exact matches may not be possible or practical due to data quality issues or variations in how the data is recorded. It allows you to identify potential matches even when the values are not exactly the same, helping you to consolidate data from different sources and improve data integration and analysis efforts. Now I will show how these tools are working with sample data.